Video introduce about BENVOL small inverter generator cover, in operation, all-weather use, waterproof, snow-resistant, foldable storage, 420D waterproof Oxford cloth. For Honda and most 1000 to about 2300 watt generators. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Overview or important features are include. 420D waterproof Oxford cloth. All-weather use. BENVOL generator cover can be used in rain, wind, snow, dust, and other bad weather to protect your generator. Foldable. High-strength stainless steel frame, foldable generator cover, no assembly, ready to use, convenient storage. Waterproof material. Using 420D waterproof Oxford cloth, waterproof zipper, PVC, and other materials, fully protect the generator. Use in operation. 4-side transparent window, visual operation, easy to use in the operation of the generator. Patented product. Has applied for a patent, counterfeit will be prosecuted. If you want to get more details, we recommend click link in the YouTube description, to see all of detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. You can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.